Mami ma wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching. Ebusuafo se enyenda ni 3 days a eye honorable Kofi Amaboa eye Lands and Natural Resources Minister. Ni video eba bonten ana osu mama ni asapone senya. Ze documentary bi omode abre no about galamsey ze ohu bi da wo Ghana ha nte na rehu a wosua. Na kameni se wiase NDC for a mind temsa. Come here, say Ghana for yinara. If we are say, Yankopon or boss robo assassin, ye na ya can't believe NDC for ma. I bent them part 3 months. And say, years in a day's no way limited. She said, this who forever for Ghana and Yasem because of him true. And I just say, propaganda or Modivedia Punjano. And ye is there by the so. Maybe I say NDC for a mentem. Nienta make us say we are saying this if one mentem say. A honorable Kofi Amaboa ni video about journalist for Ghana for modern Ghana Obia is talking against the man. So what day position Asha Wonsa said this is what Mokasa found about galamsey more about solve the issue na. What better who's here then? Just Obia NDC for when would they intro to me any Yankopon so pebony. Or tama membu ni nyina e de bibia to ni na hye monsa mu besua kire na Sammy Gyamfi akoda nyame and they go the crown on abofra no kire mpendefo se won fa go the be fa ne so ansa na wo aton is ye nananom omo ewu ko 100 years 150 years omo ja omo nananom no omo emba no omo fa se gold ni Sammy Gyamfi se wan fa mba no ho ama meton na wo de fa baby de ado no bedi no mpe Sammy Gyamfi de nanu abeto asem ni mu bi na Sammy Gyamfi de no kan o kire se ye fense owura chema no ntimi a o ye chema na Ashanti region de my NPP amayoku no ni day of reckoning has come ni dem ina bawie ni enye nim se galamsey hu nsem na e baaye do nipa mo target ne ba kopa ye chema no ntumi a ne license or de akonta mine no mo agef ni se me hu nsem abe bebre na Sammy Gyamfi de ensem we betu dwandra no na Ghana force so me na de be wo so he abofra ketekete he we esku adwuma be na waye sa wan fom Kwasia asem na wabodwe abu aguma akwa kope ba bia ntena ye ni bra ende brodim ye 20 cedis yensu na yensase ina se na se obedin Kwasia asem Sammy Gyamfi de be yo na Ghana for ze yasem keto abutu omo anugu Sammy Gyamfi ne so omo di na tempe mu ye den yasem keto akra na nienta make as e wiase ye NDC fo ama no send this for true no mo be dia akonwa no 3 months to election and as Sammy Gyamfi sisa ni penifo leader akoda nyame omukogya ayi galamsey site nsu ho na omo press conference NDC for baya omukwe Kimpiski ena koye campaign minister Kimpiski won to galamsey or their meeting mention moaba mo nkrofo na ye to galamsey you are not talking about it because you promised them NDC for niento omuntu ka galamsey na sembe brebe no omo bize Ghana for ye jimi omo twenya na omo nkrofo na to galamsey na omo ye satisfied omo start so omo because promise omo dem more money during campaign time no so mo nto aba mayen aye evidence akwekugu ahen ko gina galamsey site mo nto aba mayen mo se mahama omo declare as president pe mo fa mo tools enkoye adwuma na mo promise omo na se mo aba adenti na mo pese mo deny omo ba akoye omo adwuma because that's what you promised them and omo ye galamsey no omo say yensu na yesase na ende aduane ko ebedi kwa ye nyebi indi ena mo ama na chese petrol ne bo akosoro aduane form de aduane ba akre mo se petrol ne bo petrol lorry fare ne bo aye de nti aduane ekosoro electricity mo atutum 14% is NDC for back 3 months hell on person mo de family we don't think madness okoka na obi ba be di watem mo di atem be di mo bi na Sammy Gyamfi de ensem we betu dwane Ghana for so ama no reply yenti ensem Sammy Gyamfi e de etu dwane ensem reply Ghana for bi so e de ama no Sammy Gyamfi e na okase and I quote Mahama means business. Your day of reckoning has come. Sammy Gyamfi tells Untimi. Na Sammy Gyamfi de ensem we betu dwane Ghana for se ne be no sha die yenti ensem Ghana for bi so e de ema Sammy Gyamfi we ohene e na okre se you Sammy Gyamfi after school name one job you have curated. Stupid idiot. Yeah, I can say. So where do I have time but obi do obi atem na me read the comments am time kana. Sammy Gyamfi kwa de meka. So we openi bi anka me kana Sammy de meka. Ghana politics. I mean say politicians na opaka no. Ghana politicians all of them who have chopped Ghana money before will know no peace. And more, I can say. And I went so Sapon Thomas and Ochese, who in the right senses doesn't know that Wotumi is your target. Which of your major campaign promises was in the budget you presented in Parliament? A foreigner will come and take away all our mineral resources away without the country benefiting anything. Instead of you to concentrate in building your local companies because of witchcraft, you make them targets to destroy them just because of political witch hunting. Okay. And when so Emmanuel and Ochese, power must be sweet for this guy. Enjoy it, boss man. It's your time. I hope when they size his license, Galamsey would end. And it be se bra. And when so Stephen Mensah and Ochese, Ibrahim Mahama should get ready for these things to happen to him when power changes under any NPP administration, because we have seen that they have targeted Chairman Wotumi, and when NPP also come into power, they should revoke all Ibrahim Mahama's mining license from him and destroy his business, because they started with it, and they should mark it on the wall when NPP and when power changes. Now NPP for us on papa or me any omone enti ensem we na Ghana fo bi ede ama Sammy Gyamfi wa abroad na no beto ensem a e honorable Kofi Amabo a ede ebeto dwa
se ne se me maki Mahama ne 100 days in office na me man -0. The reason to me man -0 no any say a free 7th January ebepem ene 17th of April, no, yatufu on Kwamu 3 times. Electricity, yatumu 14.75%. Ensuo, yatumu 4.02%. Ena, a free December, cement, na 85 Ghana cedis. Ene, 140 Ghana cedis. Okay. Osaba, your friends say eniema ekoso amakro no agidin bone so a efiti sam obektina so fiti January 7th to eneno cocaine ko a yache no $500 million. Papa no enka won hwe o waye din cocaine a yache no up to eneno ye hunipa kro a cocaine ye ne dia ye mfa obi anko gina court ne akase wo nkofo we na cocaine we na ye omo dia yenyi Nigeria ni de nimfiri mu Ghana fo na Ghana ni na yesi oye NDC parliamentary candidate 2020 no ono ne de na kosi sei uyi no su firi ono ma boko conflict yi koso gidigidi ama ya nhwe ya Ghana ebetimi kura TSC form honom oti ase oba ye nso no workers nko na osake wo mo 100 days in the mu bisa me -0 enra ye kasa sei Sammy Gyamfi apamu nkrofo 20 workers enra ye na reset nenie wo ba se obebua Ghana fo ana se wo ba se obedi Ghana fo awu ade bi nso a wa ya Ghana fo adwene emba so na expose ndi de be masa because Ghana fo bi no ma mo se sabi o mo kan ade enti papa we bring Ghana fo ni so o se obefa ministers 60 pe what you say okay minimum kasei wa form we say be a friend technical directors no omo ye 100 ba ku bia sika any minister aketua ye pe yes technical directors a wafa wo mo we bi office ama wafa wo mo no omo ye 100 ba ku bia sika any minister ba ku sika ye pe etu kambo masane 60 ministers no so be fa no scam azanko na Mahama ba Ghana for what the sanko fu we kan ho 160 ministers no afa no what the directors technical directors ne kan ho wafa 160 ministers na wo twa Ghana for ntro say na or 560 ministers or do ma ko hye kona na o yi Ghana for edi it me dey 100 days in the 0% me mano -0 -0 me mano